Imagine a colossus cutting the roads in silence, moved not by fossil fuels, but by pure technological innovation. This is Tesla's Semi, the electric truck that is breaking paradigms and reformulating global logistics. When Elon Musk introduced this titan to the world, he was not just launching a new vehicle, he was challenging a sector that for over a century was based on diesel as a fundamental pillar. But what really surprised was not just the futuristic aerodynamic design or the advanced technology incorporated into the project. The real shock came from the speed with which Tesla's Semi went from the board to the assembly lines. In record time, Tesla turned a bold concept into a palpable reality, algo that even the most experienced industry experts thought it was unlikely in the short term. Behind this accelerated production, there is an unbeatable combination: intelligent engineering, state-of-the-art automation, and Musk obsession with maximum efficiency. While other automakers were still trying to understand how to adapt their factories to the electric age, Tesla was already delivering units ready to change the face of road transport. The environmental impact of this machine is also a watershed. Autonomy that exceeds 800 kilometers in a single charge and a dramatically lower energy consumption than that of diesel trucks, Tesla's Semi is boosting an inevitable transition to cleaner and more economical transport. In the end, this is not just another truck, it is a bold statement that innovation has no limits. And the speed with which Tesla put this revolution on the roads proves that the future of heavy cargo transportation came earlier than anyone could imagine. Visualize a production line where each piece fits with millimeter accuracy, where humans and robots work in perfect tune, and where the future of electric mobility gains shape before our eyes. This is not a futuristic concept, but the reality built by Tesla into its newest factory, designed to turn bold goals into concrete achievements. Elon Musk, known for his ambitious view, does not just want to break records, he wants to redefine what it means to be efficient in a world where innovation advances at a rapid pace. Your goal? Produce thousands of Tesla Semis per year in a continuous flow that accompanies the growing demand for sustainable transportation. But this new factory is not just a common assembly line. It is an innovation center, where each square meter is designed to maximize productivity, reduce waste, and accelerate each step of the process. The most impressive? Tesla is doing this at a speed that even veterans in the auto industry find it hard to believe. With productive capacity that challenges all predictions, this mega installation was erected with a clear purpose: to meet a rising global demand. And if the projections are correct, we will soon see Tesla's Semis dominated roads, carrying loads more silently, efficiently, and environmentally responsible than any other vehicle in the category. The most surprising detail? Tesla is not just accelerating its production, she is reinventing the concept of industrial efficiency. Each truck that leaves this factory is not just a new product in the market, but a definitive step towards heavy transport electrification. The revolution began, and its epicenter is this mega fabrica where electric mobility comes to life. Tesla redefines the auto industry with its new revolutionary factory. Once again, Tesla challenges traditional automotive industry patterns, boosting innovation and sustainability for a new level. What was previously seen as impossible now comes true with the arrival of a new factory that promises to overcome the achievements of Gigafactory Shanghai, a milestone that has transformed the production of electric vehicles in China and worldwide. Gigafactory Shanghai stood out for its efficiency, combining advanced automated processes with a highly trained team. This production model has allowed Tesla to manufacture large-scale Model and Model M model, establishing a new standard for the global industry. Thanks to its agility and productive capacity, the factory has become a reference in the sector and helped consolidate the brand as leader in the electric car market. Now comes a new production unit with an even more ambitious proposal: revolutionize the heavy transportation sector. While the Shanghai factory focused on meeting the growing demand for passenger vehicles, this new installation will be focused on the manufacture of Tesla's Semi, the electric truck that promises to redefine global logistics. More than increasing production, the mission of this industrial plant is deeply impacting the entire cargo transportation industry, promoting its transition to electrification. The differential of this new factory is in the technology applied to the production of heavy vehicles. Tesla Semi requires a higher level of precision and efficiency, both in the assembly of robust propulsion systems and in the construction of huge long-term batteries. For this, Tesla implemented even more sophisticated automated processes capable of dealing with larger and more complex components. Although they share the same innovative DNA, the two factories have distinct focuses. While Shanghai specializes in the production of large vehicles, this new unit is dedicated to a rapidly growing strategic niche. This differentiation reinforces the versatility of Tesla, which is positioned in the forefront of electrical mobility in multiple segments. Therefore, if Gigafactory Shanghai was essential to consolidate Tesla in the passenger vehicle market, this new installation will be the engine of heavy cargo electrification. More than a simple growth in production, this transition marks a new chapter in the revolution of electric vehicles, showing that Tesla not only follows the future of industry, but actively shapes it. Tesla Semi is not just another electric truck, it represents a radical change in the way cargo transport is conceived. With cutting-edge technology and surprising performance, this model promises to establish new standards of efficiency, safety and sustainability for the sector. One of the main differentials of Tesla Semi is its impressive autonomy. With state-of-the-art batteries, it can travel up to 800 kilometers with a single load, depending on the chosen version. For a heavy vehicle, this capacity is revolutionary, eliminating dependence on traditional gas stations and making logistics operations more agile and economic. Another point that draws attention is its acceleration. While conventional trucks are known for their slowness, the Semi break this rule by going from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 20 seconds, even loaded. This agility reduces the time on roads and improves the operational efficiency of carriers. Regarding the load capacity, Tesla Semi leaves nothing to be desired. With a gross weight of up to 40 tons, it delivers the same performance as diesel-powered trucks, but with significant advantages in economy and environmental impact. In addition, operating costs are drastically reduced as the electric vehicle requires less maintenance and does not depend on fossil fuels. Embedded technology also makes Semi a milestone in the sector. Equipped with autopilot, it has high-precision sensors and smart cameras that ensure safer and more efficient driving. The system helps the driver to avoid collisions, maintain the ideal distance from other vehicles, and even change track automatically, increasing safety and optimizing travel time. Another highlight is the energy efficiency of the truck. Thanks to its innovative aerodynamic design and the use of light and resistant materials, it consumes less energy than any other cargo vehicle of the same category. This means that companies that adopt the Semi not only reduce costs but also diminish their carbon footprint significantly. Finally, Tesla Semi's environmental impact is one of the most relevant aspects. Without emissions of polluting gases, it contributes to the reduction of global warming and improves air quality, especially in urban areas and high-traffic logistics corridors. This innovation represents a fundamental step towards the decarbonization of the cargo transportation sector, historically one of the largest CO2 emitters in the world. With all these innovations, Tesla Semi goes far beyond a simple technological advance, it symbolizes a new era for the transportation of goods. Joining performance, efficiency and sustainability, it redefines the concept of truck and paves the way for a future where logistics will be not only more economical but also cleaner and smarter. When we talk about heavy trucks, we usually imagine long distances and challenging roads. And it is exactly in this scenario that Tesla Semi stands out, exceeding expectations when facing difficult land, such as the dreaded mountain ranges. Combining power, efficiency, and impressive autonomy, this electric truck redefines the limits of technology by viewing natural challenges with confidence. Mountain highways, with its steep climbs and sharp descents, have always been a major test for heavy vehicles. Diesel-powered trucks often lose power in slopes, need more stops for replenishment and consume fuel excessively. On the other hand, Tesla Semi is designed to be highly efficient even under extreme conditions. Thanks to its high-performance electric motors, it maintains constant power on the most inclined climbs and provides instant acceleration, ensuring that the vehicle maintains speed without additional effort, a relief for drivers who need to deal with these challenging conditions. In addition, the semi-full-wheel drive system distributes power between the axles intelligently, ensuring uniform weight distribution and improving performance on slippery land such as closed curves or wet surfaces. This means that Tesla's Semi not only can cross mountain ranges, but do so with safety and stability, something that many trucks and diesel cannot match. Given the growing demand for sustainable transportation solutions, Tesla has taken another strategic step by announcing the construction of a new factory focused exclusively on the production of Tesla's Semi in Nevada. Located in the heart of the west of the United States, this installation promises to be a milestone in the transformation of the transport industry, consolidating Tesla as a reference not only in power outlets, but also in the heavy truck sector. Nevada's choice as the headquarters of this factory was not random. The state already houses Tesla's Gigafactory, responsible for the production of batteries and electric vehicles. In part of the Semi ecosystem assembly line, Tesla optimizes logistics and takes advantage of its advanced infrastructure and a large-scale production experience. This synergy between facilities results in a more efficient manufacturing process and reduced operating costs, an essential factor to make the Semi competitive in the cargo transportation market. With this new unit, Tesla intends to considerably increase the production of Semi, a model that has already aroused great interest in the logistics sector. The expansion of productive capacity seeks to meet the growing demand for electrical trucks, offering a more sustainable and economic alternative compared to diesel vehicles. This expansion responds directly to the market, where the search for environmentally responsible solutions is becoming a priority. In addition to the productive capacity, the new factory stands out for the adoption of innovative technologies aligned with Tesla's commitment to sustainability and efficiency. Designed to operate with renewable energy, the unit will feature solar panels covering much of its structure and advanced energy storage systems, ensuring ecologically responsible production. This model reinforces Tesla's sustainable principles and positions the company as a reference in green manufacturing, the most relevant in view of increasing global concern with the environment. The implementation of state-of-the-art automation technologies will also be a differential of this factory. Automated processes will ensure greater accuracy in truck assembly, increasing productive efficiency and reducing operating costs. This will allow Tesla to maintain competitive prices while ensuring the high quality of its vehicles. When in full operation, the factory will be able to produce thousands of Tesla units semi-annually, boosting a rising market and generating thousands of jobs in the region. In addition to strengthening production, this factory plays a strategic role in Tesla's supply chain, especially with regard to battery components and high-performance parts essential for Semi. Proximity to Nevada Gigafactory creates an integrated productive ecosystem, allowing Tesla to have full control over each step of the process, from batteries to the final assembly of trucks. This approach ensures greater efficiency and maintains the high-quality standard, one of the company's differentials. In short, Tesla's new factory for semi-production in Nevada is not just an expansion of the productive capacity, but a symbol of the revolution in the transportation of electric charges. As trucks such as Semi become increasingly common on roads, Tesla positions itself at the forefront of this transformation, offering a clean, efficient and technologically advanced alternative to traditional fossil fuel-based methods. With this initiative, the company reinforces its commitment to redefine the future of mobility and consolidate its leadership in the electric vehicle industry. Tesla's Semi emerges as an innovative proposal for the heavy cargo transportation sector, standing out not only for its state-of-the-art technology and commitment to sustainability, but also for the flexibility offered to buyers. With customizable settings, Tesla's electric truck adapts to different logistics demands, becoming a versatile option for various operations. In addition, the company's price strategy reflects its search for accessible innovation and adaptation to various market segments. Those who choose Tesla's Semi can adjust various aspects of the vehicle to better meet their needs. Among the options available are two autonomy versions, one that runs up to 300 miles, about 480 kilometers, and one that reaches 500 miles, approximately 800 kilometers. This allows companies to choose the most appropriate alternative to the distances of their routes, whether for urban, regional deliveries or more extensive interstate travel. The cargo transportation sector, historically dominated by manufacturers such as Freightliner, Volvo and Kenworth, is undergoing a significant transformation with the arrival of Tesla Semi. The introduction of an electrical model in this segment not only changes the market dynamics, but also redefines standards of performance, innovation and sustainability within the industry. For traditional automakers, the challenge goes beyond price and efficiency competition. It is a structural change that privileges the adoption of new technologies and the search for energy efficiency. For decades, diesel trucks were the backbone of cargo transportation, prioritizing durability and reliability in long trips. Although robust and efficient within conventional standards, these vehicles are gradually losing ground to more sustainable and economic alternatives, such as Tesla Semi. Tesla's differential is not only in electrification, but also in the integration of advanced technologies such as autonomous direction, remote software updates and a dedicated network of superloaders. Companies seeking to reduce operating costs find in Tesla Semi a highly attractive alternative. Diesel trucks suffer from fuel prices volatility and high maintenance costs, while Semi offers a more predictable and affordable solution in the long run. In addition, its autonomy of up to 800 km per load eliminates one of the main barriers of the electrification in the long-range transportation sector. Another innovative aspect is Tesla's approach to the software. The remote update system allows the vehicle to continually improve its performance and features without frequent visits to workshops, providing operational flexibility that traditional manufacturers have not yet been able to match. Given this change, traditional automakers began to react. Companies like Freightliner and Volvo have already announced plans to launch their own electrical trucks such as EcoScadiat and Volvo VNR Electric. However, many of these initiatives are still in early stages or limited to specific niches, such as urban deliveries and short routes. The transition to a 100% electric fleet faces significant challenges, including the need for a robust charging infrastructure, high battery costs, and factories restructuring to accommodate new production lines. Complexity increases when we consider that Tesla is not just a competitor, but a true braking agent in the sector. Its approach is not limited to vehicle manufacture. It involves a complete transformation in the business model, prioritizing technological integration, sustainability, and reducing operating costs. This approach puts significant pressure on traditional automakers, who need to accelerate their innovations to maintain competitiveness. In conclusion, the dispute between Tesla Semi and traditional manufacturers goes beyond a simple market rivalry. It is a clash between a conventional model, deeply rooted in industry, and a future view that proposes to redefine heavy transport mobility. While Tesla points the way to electrification, competitors face the challenge of reinventing themselves not only to survive but thrive in this new scenario. The race is just beginning, and the coming years will be crucial to define who will dominate the truck market in the future. Another determining factor for the expansion of Semi is the expansion of the Tesla Superloaders network, designed to facilitate the supply of electric fleets. By developing a loading infrastructure dedicated to heavy trucks, the company seeks to eliminate one of the main challenges that still limit large-scale adoption of this type of vehicle, the need for rapid and strategically distributed recharge points. With strict tests, a growing number of customers and an increasingly robust support infrastructure, Tesla Semi is no longer just a promising concept, it is a rising reality. Tesla is not just putting a new truck on the market, but redefining the entire logic of cargo transportation, accelerating an electric revolution that is happening faster than many predicted. The future of the sector is already in motion, and the race for electrification is just beginning.